Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? Yeah, you know what? Yes, today is January 15, 2025 and it's Wednesday here. You know what guys? Sorry, I'm some kind of being lost. Before we start, I'm hungry, that's why. Just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Border, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi, and to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. Guys, you know what? I still have some open source, that's why I can speak that much. Sorry. And hold on, some kind of a tiring. How about like that? Okay. Of course, I shouldn't forget my 11 lovely countries. We trimmed down to 11. Where are they? I think they are just having some rest. That's why. And later on, they're gonna come back. Number one on the spot, of course, Philippines, United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates, South Korea, India, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, Malaysia, Germany, and the last but not the least is Spain. Thank you so much to each every one of you for all the love and affection and the support that you gave on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much each every one of you. And what else? Here. You know what? I'm some kind of speechless. Sorry. Happy 39th monthsary to each every one of you on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the continued support, for watching as always my everyday viewers. Thank you so much. Without you, I cannot be able to achieve this milestone on our face. No, yeah, not Facebook, on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, each every one of you. What else? I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do for tonight, if I'm gonna go to my client or I'm gonna get some dry fishes. So mini. Anyway guys and girls, that would be all for now, okay? Thank you so much. And you know what? If you're gonna ask me about my goals, yes, I'm still in for my goals. So I'm just continuing to do my daily tasks, my everyday tasks, my self-given task. And I hope you also guys do the same thing, okay? Just strive hard, okay? That will be all for now. Once again, happy 39th monthsary. Bye. Thank you.